Children Challenging Industry, or CCI for short, coordinated by the University of York, is a STEM outreach programme which wants to inspire children to become the scientists and engineers of tomorrow. At Sartorius in Royston, we're part of the CCI programme and are passionate about showing children that engineering and science can be interesting and fun.
As a school this year, science is something we wanted to raise the profile of. So we've been looking for projects to get involved with to get kids excited about science.
You can do so many things in the area of science. Like, it's not just about mixing chemicals into water and stuff.
I like science and engineering because it's just different to what I'm usually into. So I love dancing, singing, so it's really nice to open a new chapter and to see what other people are interested in.
We also want to open their eyes to the wide range of exciting future careers they could have. To do this, we run interactive workshops which let primary and middle school children see how science and engineering is used in real life, showing them the types of jobs that they could do in the future.
I'd want to be one of those designers upstairs because I like how they use the Space Mouse to fly around the Amber 15 and look inside it.
The thing I'd like to do in the future that I saw in Sartorius would probably be become a technical engineer and build some of the machines like the Amber 15.
I would love to be a designer or a biologist. I think that's a really interesting thing to do.
Here's Dominic, our manufacturing manager, and Rachel, one of our scientists, telling the children what to expect today.
This one can do 48 experiments all at once.
There are 30-minute workshops where the children get to try out hands-on science and engineering in different areas.
So we made the suspensions and now we're about to put them into the Amber 15. And I like seeing it pick up the different suspensions and putting them into different parts.
They moved around 4 different activities which were all very well staffed, and as teachers and staff from the school we were able to take a step back and just watch the children be excited about science and get involved with the experiments and activities.
At Sartorius, we design and build robots controlled by computers. This involves a lot of different people doing a variety of roles, such as designers, engineers and technicians. In this workshop, the children are learning how an Amber 15 robot is made and tested and are seeing the different parts that go into it. The robot controls all the conditions that cells need to grow to be healthy and produce lots of protein. Scientists use these proteins as drugs to treat diseases like cancer. The children have fun learning how to build and test all the parts in an assembly which fits into a robot. They then use the computer to dispense different amounts of liquid into a container that they weigh. They write down the weight on a results sheet. They also check the pass-fail foam levels and enter this on the results sheet too. In the second workshop, the children are learning how a scientist prepares the liquids and powders used to grow cells in an Amber 15 robot. The children must dress up like scientists to do the experiments in a clean and safe way. They make the feed plates and get to see the Amber 15 robot putting feeds into vessels. They look at the results and record them on a sheet. During both workshops, the children learn that robots can give accurate and repeatable results if built and tested correctly. After all that hard work, the children can enjoy a snack. Then they get to have a look at their results from the workshops and discuss them. Thanks to the children at Fen Ditton School for letting us film them enjoying doing their hands-on science and engineering workshop today. If your school wants to find out about coming on a CCI workshop, then go to www.ciec.org.uk/primary.html.